Hi everyone, today we're going to carry out the invoicing process in Odoo 60 community. First, we have to enter in the invoicing module. Here we can see an accounting dashboard in which we can find customers' invoices and the supplier invoices. Each one have a little summary of what we have recorded. In the upper part, we can see the customers and vendor sections, in which each one has a list of invoices, credit notes, payments to do and payments we have registered, products we sell, and customers we bill. Okay, let's create now a new customer invoices. So we click on new invoice, select our customer, invoice date, payment reference, due date or payment terms. On product, we click on add a line. We select our product. Here we can put more about that product, the quantity, and the price. Here, if we have a discount and the taxes. So right now we have to save, and our invoice is a draft, so it can be modified, but if we post it, that will not be possible. To be posted, we have to click on confirm, and the program creates a sequence. This sequence is the making payment. So we click on register payment, we put our journal, the amount, and the payment date, and now we click on create payment. Now we are going to make a rectify invoices. Let's suppose that we have to send an invoice to Julia. So we have to send an invoice to Julia to make the payment of the total import, and we have to go and click on add credit note. Here we select the third option. We can put the reason of the payment and the refund date, and now we click on reverse. This is the draft of the invoice, and we only have to modify. Save, and now confirm. So what the program has done is that here we have the reverse invoice, the initial one that we have paid and the one that we have to send to Julia. With Odoo, the invoicing process is optimal and easy. Remember to activate the bell, give it a like, and subscribe. See you in the next tutorial. Bye!